Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add money to Onepay. So first log in into your Onepay account, then on the home screen as you can see here you will see the cash section. Next tap on add money. Now keep in mind, if you want a faster transfer, choose an amount of $25 or more. Amounts below that may take longer to process. After that, enter the amount you want to tap to continue. I will choose $25. Then tap continue. Then choose your payment method. This could be Apple Pay, debit card, or any other option shown. You can also switch payment methods if needed. I will choose Apple Pay. Finally, all you need to do is confirm the payment. Once the payment is completed, the money will be added to your Onepay account instantly. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.